Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to embed Figma into documents. If you want to share interactive designs, prototypes, or markups directly inside your documents, this tutorial is for you. On the Figma dashboard, we choose the document or file we want to embed. For example, this image here. We want to embed this one. Once we are here, all we have to do is click the Share button in the upper right corner to get our embed code. This is where we share our files and make them available for publishing or collaboration. To get the embed code from Figma, we simply grab the embed code and copy it. Once we have copied it, we open the application or document where we want to place this Figma project. This lets us integrate Figma designs into documents like Google Docs, Notion, websites, or other platforms, making collaboration and presentations much easier. By copying the link and inserting it properly, we make our designs previewable, accessible, and professional. We have successfully embedded Figma into our documents.